Nag-record na siya.
Hello everyone! This is Denise Mariel and I'm here with my brother Viel. And we are here to show you guys my recent big girl purchase, which is the
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
So this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max and this is in 1 terabyte. So saan to galing, Viel?
From your big girl.
Mag-unbox na muna tayo. And mamaya ko na sasabihin yung mga details and kung yung ano pa yung mga usual na pwedeng matanong. Parang may kettle. So, ayan siya guys. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Ito na siya guys. Oh my gosh. Sobrang laki. Sobrang ganda. Guys, I love the color. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo kasi meron akong light. Wait lang. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? This is in Desert Titanium. Like yung usual, wala na talaga siyang, ang tawag doon, adapter. So, meron na lang siya is charger. Tapos, parang iba na rin yung texture ng charger niya, guys. Medyo rough na rin siya. SIM ejector. Merong SIM ejector. Tapos, when you open it, meron ding, hindi ko alam, pero parang manual something siya.
Yung anong gusto mong buksan?
Ang ganda, guys.
Yung ano?
So, I actually bought a case already and syempre tempered glass. So, etong tempered glass is 920 and then yung magnetic case naman is 1,260. So, for its price, sobrang mahal niya compared sa mga nabibili sa Shopee. Pero kasi, parang trusted na to ng mga Apple users. That's why I bought it. Bumili na rin ako ng mga MagSafe niya, which is from Shopee din. Hindi siya pop socket, pero parang ganun na rin. It's a MagSafe pop socket. Yan. It's like that. So, yung SRP neto sa Philippines is, it's 110,990 for 1 terabyte. So, bakit nga ba 1 terabyte yung binili ko? Bakit 1 terabyte? Kasi
Parang makarecord ka more. Mas marami.
and anong naging problem sa phone ko before?
Storage.
Yeah. Because storage has always been a problem for me. Because I am a very sentimental girl. I always love keeping photos and I always hold memories with me as always. Kahit yung mga photos ko from my iPhone 11, andito pa din siya sa iPhone 14 ko. So, yung previous phone ko guys is iPhone 14. Actually, this is not my first phone na binili ko gamit yung sarili kong pera. But, this is the first phone that I bought using my own money from working. So, since graduate na ako and nagtatrabaho na rin ako, galing to sa ipon ko, wish ko lang na mas lalo pang lumago yung business namin.
Gusto ko yung Android.
Gusto mo Android. So, yun si Viel kasi, he's really into games. Kaya mas gusto niya na gaming phone. And he also thinks na iPhone and Apple in general is not really for gaming, right?
Yeah.
The reason why I love Apple is because of its camera quality. Yung battery life din kasi neto is, I think it's already in 87%. Yung battery health neto. And iPhone is really not that known for its battery life kasi laging bumababa yung battery health and kapag bumababa yung battery health, mas mabilis mamamatay or
2
malulumbat.
hours lang kasi yung battery life.
Yeah. I'm sharing this but this vlog might not be everyone's cup of tea. Pero I'm taking this video and I'm sharing this to other people para lang siguro makapag-share ako ng information, pero siguro sobrang konti lang kasi syempre for sure nakikita nyo na rin naman yung other information about this sa TikTok or sa YouTube videos, pero it's actually siguro for myself na lang din, na I want to have something that I can always look back on, na kapag pa talaga nasa isip ko, magagawa ko. Pero syempre, hindi naman to mangyayari kung hindi dahil sa ate ko na nasa Canada. And also kay Bianx. Thank you, Bianx and Ate Likes. Sobra. Kasi sila po talaga yung bumili nito. And pinaship to ni ate from Canada ng November 24 dito sa Philippines. And dumating siya ngayong November 29. So, that's like 5 days. 5 days lang to dumating, guys. And, pero syempre, kung magpapabili man kayo or may kamag-anak man kayo sa Canada, make sure nyo na yung cost pa din. Kasi syempre, kapag ka nagpa-ship kayo through air cargo, medyo mas pricey talaga siya. Meron siyang additional na $45 because iPhone ngayong ipapadeliver. So, ang binayaran ko talaga is $45 sa phone na additional, and minimum nila is £5. Shipping pa lang nito from Canada to Philippines is $125, and ang conversion niya to peso ngayon is 5,234 pesos. And yeah, I just took the risk kasi binigyan na rin ako ng chance ni ate. Backstory lang talaga. Ito na yung pinaka backstory. Pag-graduate ko lang, guys, and I just started working under my dad's business and also under my business na rin. I recently bought something for myself na big girl purchase din, and that was actually my first big girl purchase, which is this one. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So this is what I'm using right now to record. That's the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I was actually torn buying this na kasi ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, when I buy the Osmo Action 5 Pro, I'm not gonna buy phone anymore kasi syempre, magastos na rin yan. It's almost 30,000. Kakabili ko lang yan siguro mga a month ago lang. Pero kasi, there are some things that an iPhone can do that the DJI Osmo Action 5 can't. Full storage na yung phone ko, guys. As much as I am contented with this phone, kasi wala naman siyang sira, sobrang maayos pa siya, wala namang any basag sa unit niya. Kailangan ko talaga ng storage kasi 128 gig lang to. Pero kasi my dad bought this for me. Wala namang problema sa kanya. It's just that the storage is not enough for me. Lagi kong sasabihin na I'm not encouraging other people to do this.
The camera improved. It boosts 48 MP ultra wide camera for detailed shots and zero shutter lag for capturing moments in high resolution. It introduces photographic styles for unique photo editing options, and the performance also is boosted. It's powered by the A18 Pro chip. It delivers exceptional speed and efficiency, supporting advanced gaming, computational photography, and Apple Intelligence. The GPU is 20% faster, and the chip supports hardware accelerated ray tracing for realistic graphics. Number 3, Apple Intelligence. The system includes tools like Text Assistant for rewriting, proofreading, and summarizing, as well as Genmoji creation for fun visual expression. It also improves Siri functionality and privacy with on-device processing. Or display and design. Features an always-on ProMotion display for smoother visuals and better power efficiency. Camera control offers precise adjustments for exposure and depth of field directly on the screen.
So, I'm not here to tell you if it's worth it or not. Pero so far, syempre, while checking it, and syempre, this is actually not my dream phone. I don't have a dream phone naman kasi talaga. Kasi, growing up, hindi naman talaga kami pinalaki ng dad namin na dapat bago lagi yung cellphone mo, ba?
Yeah.
Ang lagi niyang sinasabi sa amin is, kung anong meron ka,
ayun yung makikip mo.
Yun yung ikikip mo, or yun yung pagtiisan mo. Lalo na kung hindi pa sira, diba? Pinalaki kami ng papa namin to be contented with what we have. Pero, syempre, yun na nga din, nagka-problem na rin kasi talaga sa cellphone ko. And, as much as I don't want to change phones, wala na talaga kasi talaga siyang storage. Syempre, magpapasko na. Siguro, this is my Christmas and birthday gift to myself na din. And I'm sure this will be my last purchase.
Hindi ako makakatrust sa'yo, B. I'm not trusting you.
So, this is my last...
Sinungaling ka.
Uy, ano sinungaling? This is gonna be my last purchase because I don't have money enough to pay for anything right now. Tama, diba? Wala na akong money. Kanya-kanya tayong priorities. And actually, this is not a priority. And this should not be a priority to anyone. Pero yun nga, dahil nga yung reason na wala ng storage. Yun talaga, i-justify ko talaga yun. This phone, kanino na ito mapupunta?
Sa
Ano?
Mine.
So, eto, kay Biel na ito mapupunta. And this will be mine. So, bye guys!
Bye. Smash the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell.
Thank you guys!
Thank you.
Bye-bye!